The Leeds Public Health and Wellbeing Conference is an annual event for anyone with an interest in or responsibility for promoting health and wellbeing in Leeds. Every year, the health and wellbeing workforce come together to network, learn, celebrate success, and to share best practice. Speakers and workshop hosts explore how rising costs and an increase in deepening poverty is impacting on the health and wellbeing of local people and what action we can take.
This is your 9th event, and the theme this year is Bridge Over Troubled Waters, Public Health and Cost of Living Crisis. And people are coming together today to network, to hear the latest evidence on what works in terms of improving people's health and well-being, and to celebrate good practice in Leeds.
So we've lived through 13 years of austerity. Leeds has an ambition to be the best city for health and well-being, in spite of all that. And every person has a part to play in turning our ambition into a reality. Everything we do affects our physical and mental health and well-being. By working together, we can make a difference.
We know that most of the things that affect people's health are outside the health and care system, which is why it's so important for all of us to work together to make a difference to health inequalities in Leeds.
So the Health and Wellbeing Training Programme has had a real influence on how I've developed and undertake my role. After all, it's about balance. It's about balancing your body, your mind, your life and your soul. And this allows you to work in partnership for a happier world.
My name's Bill Owen, I'm Ops Director from Barker Leeds. It's really important with the cost of living crisis that we reach out and work with as many different organisations across the third sector as possible and getting into as many different communities. Every community has different needs, and the organisations that work with those communities often know them best and know how to respond and know the individual needs of those communities. So it's really important to have a really collaborative partnership approach to tackling the cost of living crisis.
I'm delighted to attend the conference today because I've been able to meet representatives from both the council and other agencies that we're hoping to do some joint activity later in the year. So it's been a real great event for me to attend. Thank you.
I'm Anna Ross, Head of Children and Families in Public Health. We've just come from the workshop where we were discussing the Director of Public Health Annual Report, which focuses on children's experience of COVID during the pandemic, called In Our Shoes. We had some great representations from different sectors, social work, people from the hospital, third sector, and some really rich and engaging conversations. The impacts of COVID, people reflecting in their professional lives, are still very real, and we need to keep a priority focus on children and young people.
I found it really helpful today, and it's been really helpful to network, and although there's lots of inequalities, it's just really positive to see the approach that Leeds is taking.
If you're inspired or want to be connected all year round with the work of public health, not just for one day at the conference, then please join the Public Health Resource Centre to access free resources on a wide range of public health topics. Find out more and sign up for free at www.leeds.gov/PHRC. Contact us at Public Health Resource Centre, Tech North, 9 Harrogate Road, Chapel Allerton, Leeds, LS7 3NB. Telephone 0113 378 6200. Email phrc@leeds.gov.uk. Find us on X, formerly Twitter, at twitter.com/PHRC Leeds. Find us on LinkedIn at linkedin.com facebook.com/company/PHRC-Leeds. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/PHRC Leeds. Find us on Instagram at instagram.com/PHRC Leeds.